There you are. Get comfortable. Let's spend a little while together. I was looking at one of my favorite pictures. Do you have one too? Let me show you. Yep, I'm the little girl in the picture. I'm with Mom, Dad, Grandma, and Grandpa. We were like two peas in a pod. We liked the same things. We disliked the same things. We got along so well. I miss him so much. Now, speaking of picture, today let's focus on the sound ture, as in picture. Let's spell it together. Do you know what sound goes first in the word picture? Are you looking at it? That's right, there it is. What about number 2? Picture. Yeah, it's one of the pink ones. That one, right? Number 3, picture. Back to the yellow ones. You saw it. Now comes the tricky part. Picture. Now when I say ture, it almost sounds like you're gonna need a CH, but actually the sound ture in picture is spelled with a T-U-R-E. Picture. Now the best way of remembering something long term is to write it down. But I want to show you a much more fun way of making words. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need, if you have clothespins around your house, is a marker. So I am going to write the consonants on these here, and I am going to make the vowels a different color, just like our writing board here. Okay, I did it. So as you can see, I have the vowels at the top, and I have the consonants here at the bottom. And the next thing you're going to need is some string. So I've got some yarn here. Anything will do, even dental floss. And my plan is to cut a little bit of it, and I am going to tie it from here all the way to here. Now there you have it. I have my own space to make words. So let's see if you remember how to spell picture. And the first sound was, are you looking at it? There it is. All right. Picture. What about number 2? P-I. There it is. Picture. Are you looking? That's right. Ick. Uh-oh, tricky part. Chur. I know it's not CH. Are you looking? What letter should go next? Yes. Chur. T-U-R-E. There you have it. Let's split it by syllables. Say it with me. Picture. And that, my friends, is how you spell chur at the end of words. T-U-R-E. Chur. Thank you for watching.